So today's task is find 6 pictures of Edinburgh City and put them in the faces of a rotating cube using OpenGL. And I'm using Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.6. I could be using any one I want really, but this one is supposedly the best in the world in the benchmarks. I'm using Cereproc Voice Stewart. It's an all Scottish affair today, made in Edinburgh, and he's going to be yakking away in the background, so let's go ahead and
Searching the internet for images. Starting up. I'm reading your request now. Got the internet data. Now I'll write the code. Starting fresh. Writing code for your request now. Writing the first version of the code.
Okay, Stuart, cheers. The code will appear here when Stuart's finished with it. So you can see here in the debug, it's downloaded these images. Let's hope they're not junk. And there he is, he's written it, he's writing it. 6 texture, oh, it says there it is. My God, that's really nice. Oh, that is real cool. I have to, even I'm impressed by that. Well done, Stuart. Even though you've got, looks like 2 pictures the same, is it? Well, or 3 pictures the same. You're a bit upside down. Anyway, I can manually pick it, move it around. Some kirkyard or other. Yes, taking the same. Yeah, that's something I haven't got a huge amount of control over, because it's the search engine will pick, the first 6 it gets. It will get rid of duplicates, but these are probably not duplicates. They're the same image, but they're not duplicates. So I suppose it is a picture of Edinburgh City, but the fact it can do that, isn't that amazing? It's like one of these things from 1980s TV or something, when they have pictures of images, people on cubes rotating. There's the code here. Anthropic Sonnet 4.6 autocoder system. And those are the images it downloaded. It's just a bit unfortunate that some of the images were the same. But of course, you could put your own images in there, so it's a great deal problem. In fact, I'll copy that and do something like that. Okay, thank you.